yesterday I made a comment in a radio show, and it came to me then. It's not a thought I've been thinking of. It came to me then, and I even said it at the beginning before the film started here, which is I actually think I would be very surprised if Baroda does not produce the next generation of really outstanding filmmakers. And I'll tell you why. Because filmmaking also today is a great deal about entrepreneurship. The qualities of entrepreneurship, that dynamism that you need, it is more that today than what it was, let's say, 20 years ago, where an artist, the roles were more neatly divided at that time. It's not. This is a very different world we are living in today. So you need to be that, and there is no gene more than the Guju gene, which actually does that best.
Yes.
That is established across the world, and it is very important to be able to bring out. The enterprising, you need to be very enterprising when you're making a film. You have to communicate, you have to, so therefore that. Combine that with the fact that Baroda anyway is the cultural capital of Gujarat. How can it not flower? I mean, I'll be very surprised if the best films, and you can mark my words on this, within the next decade you will find but I hope they also get to see a lot of films that come on. I think Ship of Theseus has been released. No, I think I think Baroda had grown intellectually long back because it wouldn't be the cultural capital of Gujarat otherwise. But I think to be able to do these things now, to be able to, it's important to know, and also you can be anywhere with an internet connection and you can get the world. So you can watch any film really. I mean, Ship of Theseus is of course just a film that's released, but otherwise everything is available to you in Baroda. So, but I think these two things will be the main thing. The fact that there is anyway an artistic bent. It is apparent in the way people interact with each other. The mobile phone's not ringing. The kind of questions that were asked yesterday. The kind of courtesy. Don't underestimate this. When you go to other cities, you'll understand how precious this is. And I'm coming from those places, so it's very special. I mean, it's probably what Calcutta was at one time in history. It's definitely not that now. But where Baroda could well be the next artistic hub of India. In fact, I would be surprised if it's not.